today we are here for a mending workshop and a clothing swap as well, to share with other conscious citizens how we can extend the lives of our clothes. Tengeneza Café is basically a repair cafe. Tengeneza is a Swahili word which means to make. It started as a way to create awareness around what individuals can do to buy clothes more mindfully and to extend the lives of their clothes. And then now we're here, we're continuing to build a community of more conscious people, and it's been a really beautiful journey to just have more people come in, share the joy of repairing and share the clothes that we already own.